Okay, are you ready?
I'm gonna open it.
You're gonna open it? Are you ready to open? Okay, go ahead. Open it. Open.
Hurry.
Hurry. This is from your Titi and your Toto. Go.
It's happened.
Yeah, it came apart, but that's how you tear it.
It's carrot.
You tear it. Open it. Ooh, what is it? Ooh, what is it?
The Valentine.
You tore it. It's the wrapping paper. That's what you're supposed to do. Okay, open it. What is it? Oh, I know what it is. You're going to like it. Remember you saw one of these at the store? Ooh. Ooh. What is it? What is it? Ooh. Oh. Say, get out. Here, open that. Take that part off, Cora. You enjoying that? You're enjoying the wrapping paper part? Oh, what is it? Mommy, what is it? What is it? Say, thank you, Titi. Thank you, Toto. Ooh, what is it? It's a ball right here. You can't open this, but what you do is you push it and then it makes popping sounds. It's a corn popper. It's like popcorn. Can you say popcorn?
Popcorn.
Popcorn?
This.
That doesn't go there. That is off now. Here, let's take this off. Take this off and you can play with it. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Ready? Okay. You do it. Here. Okay, pick it up like this. Hold it. You gotta stand up. Stand up. Okay, ready?
Sorry.
Push it. Push it. Push it. It's a popcorn. You have to push it like this. Let's see if I can remember how to do it. I think I had one when I was a kid. Push it. You have to push it. Push it. Push it along the ground. Push. Good girl! You did it! Push. Push. Walk. Go ahead and walk with it. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Not to me. Here, walk down the hall. Push. There it is! Yay! It did it! Okay, walk. You have to walk with it.
Open?
No, you can't open it. You have to walk with it. No, you gotta walk with it.
Shelby.
It's not to open though, Bubby. Look, watch. Okay, go like this and you push it. Ooh, you do it. Okay, ready? Push it. Nope. Walk. You have to walk with it. Walk, 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 walk. Push and walk. Walk, walk, walk. Push. You have to push it with both hands. Hold on to it. Okay, push it. Here, you gotta push it and walk. Yay! You gotta push it a little bit. Push it. You do? You have to walk. Go walk over to the kitchen. Look, watch mommy. Ready? I'm going to take it like this. I'm going to hold it, and then I'm going to push it. Woo! You do it. You got to stand up. You have to stand up to do it. Stand up. Ooh, you did it! You did it! Yay! Okay. You can't, it doesn't open, Cora. You have to stand up and push it and it pops. Okay, to be continued when she figures out how to use it. Thank you. Can you say, thank you, TT? Thank you, Toto. Zeeby says, thank you. Thank you, Toto. Can you say, thank you, Toto? Cora, say, Toto. Cora. Not open? Nope, it doesn't open. You have to push it. You stand with it and then push it. You can't chew it open either. Can you say, thank you, TT? Thank you, Toto. Your finger. Did you catch your finger? You have to be careful. It's a toy. Can you say, thank you, TT? Thank you, Toto. You got TT down. Can you say Toto? Good. Can you say TT? Yay. Say thank you. Say thank you. All right. See you later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.